Hey friends, welcome to New York. As you all can see, Hubs and I have made it to New York. We are here for a work trip and also to attend New York FROCKTAILS. Today is Friday. It is Friday, October the 6th. It's 2:26 right now. We had an early flight this morning. We woke up at 3, left the house at 4, got to the airport around maybe 5:15, got to our terminal at 6:30. Anyway, by the time we sat down, I think we sat down for 10 minutes and then we were boarding. So everything worked out great. We got here safe. I thank God for safe travels. Called an Uber, got to the hotel, put our bags down. Thank goodness they did early check-in. So happy for that. Put our bags down and we walked over here to Design Group. Design Group owns the pattern brand, so Simplicity, McCall, Butterick, Vogue, New Look, Know Me. We walked over to the headquarters and we are here now. I'm going to be giving you all a tour, taking you all through some of the rooms, the top secret rooms that you all may not see. And yeah, I'm excited to show you all some behind the scenes content. So let's take a quick tour around the offices here. Right here, I'm in a conference room that has catalogs dating back to 2008. I love it here. Right outside of this window, you can see the button, famous button down there. But yeah, so excited to be here. It's going to be a great weekend. We're just here for FROCKTAILS tomorrow, and then we're leaving back out on Sunday. I'm about to wrap up here. I've been here at the offices for about, oh my gosh, like 3 hours. We got here like 11. So yeah, it's 2:30 now, so it's time to go eat. It's time to call it. But I hope you all enjoy the tour, enjoy the footage that I captured for you all. And yeah, I will see you all later today. I'll be vlogging our whole weekend here. Also, I left my tripod, so if it's a little shaky, please forgive me. But yeah, some of the Know Me designers are here. Thank goodness I got this battery charging pack. My phone already died, so yeah, it's gonna be a long weekend. Hey y'all, today is Saturday. It is New York FROCKTAILS. Hubs and I, we got up and we basically spent the morning and afternoon just exploring. So we went down to Ground Zero, then we went to the Statue of Liberty viewing point, and then we ended up getting on a ferry going around it. So that was really awesome. I think we got back here around maybe close to 3. We did stop and get something to eat. So far, we've only eaten at burger spots, and they've been really good. But we stopped at Smash Burger today, got a nice burger, and I really like the fries. But got up here, we took a nap. We woke up like after 6. It's like 6. It's 6:55 right now. The party started at 6. It ends at 10. So this is good timing. It's right around the street from where we are. We're just gonna finish up. I just took my hair down. I just did my makeup a little bit. This top is the Simplicity top. I've made it twice now. This time I popped sleeves in it. So I used the sleeves from my pattern, my Know Me 2002 pattern, and I popped it in that little Simplicity top. I'll make sure I tell you all what it is. And I'm wearing pants, which I brought a dress just in case. So I made the same twist front dress that I wore to the military ball last year. I made it in glitter fabric. Since the theme is disco glamour, I thought it'd be really nice. I brought it, but it's been raining all day and I really don't want to wear a dress and heels. So I made some Butterick pants. I thought these pants were really cute. They kind of flare and they have a slit up the front. And I just paired it with this top here. So this is what I'm wearing. I'll show y'all the finished look. I'm just going to put on some heels, and I do have some flats that I can swap out of if the heels start to hurt. Jerome is already ready to go. So I'm gonna put my hair up in a ponytail. Cause like I said, it's raining. I really not trying to have my hair down. So